Mr. Purushottam,
Who are you?
I'd called you up regarding Dinesh Swami.
You came all the way here. But that won't make me change my answer, right? Didn't I tell you that I don't know Dinesh Swami at all?
Look, Mr. Purushottam, this is a court case. It's quite serious. Let me show you one photograph. Look at it carefully and tell me if you know this man or not. He's Dinesh Swami. Take a good look. Have you ever seen him?
Oh, yes. This person had visited me many times. He would sit here for hours. He used to have biscuits and then tea. And he would ask me in between whether any phone call had come for him and to tell him about it. And I would find it really very strange to see someone using a phone booth in these times.
So did he ever get a call?
Yes, many times. Many times.
And who was it?
Look, I don't remember the name.
So he used to come here regularly. That means he must be staying somewhere around.
I have no idea about that. Neither did I ever ask him anything, nor did he ever tell me anything. Look, sir, I am a very simple man. In the matters of the court, please do not drag me. I told you everything that I knew about him, sir.
I came all the way from Meerut to Delhi, but I didn't get to know anything. May I at least have a cup of tea? And I'm very hungry. Do you have anything to eat?
Sir, I only have biscuits to serve you, but our tea is very good.
Get me some.
Sure, sure.
I'll have tea.
Aunt, I had a great time. The fritters were delicious.
Seriously, Mom.
Anushka,
Yes?
now that you're here, stay back for lunch. You can leave after lunch.
Oh, well, no, Aunt. I cannot stay for lunch at all. And I need to have lunch at home.
Anushka, please stay. Brother must be on his way.
Be home for lunch.
Why are you thinking so much? Stay back. Should I cook for you?
Anushka, please stay. Brother will be here soon. You can meet him as well.
Okay, fine. Okay, now that you both are insisting, I'll stay. What did I just say? Aunt,
I'll make your favorite dal. You talk to
Please.
Purva by the time. Okay? Sit.
where are you?
I've come out for office work.
What work did you have on a Sunday? And who works on Sundays?
Those who want to become successful in life do not care about Sundays or Mondays. I had some work, so I came to finish it.
The wisdom that you are imparting, do you give it for free or do you charge fees for it?
What?
No, it's nothing. Where are you?
Well, I'm in Delhi at Chandni Chowk. I'm having tea at Chandu's shop. Come over.
Very funny. You should stay at home on Sundays, right? Aunt and Purva are missing you so much.
And how did you get this news? Hang on. Where are you?
I am at your home, Siddhant Sinha. I am staying for lunch. But you are having tea at Chandni Chowk, right?
I was... oh, never mind. You must have at least met Mom and Purva, right? Anyway, you would have come to meet only them. We meet quite often.
Yes, of course. You are right. I would come here only to meet Aunt and Purva. We meet often.
So here's your money and have that tea and biscuit on my behalf.
What happened, sir? Didn't you like the tea? Do you want another cup?
No, it's not like that. No matter how tasty it is, I won't be able to drink it. I have to reach somewhere urgently. Someone's waiting for me. Here you go. I'll take your leave.
Yes, Rao. Looks yummy, Dad.
The aroma is good too.
Yeah. Anushka will really love it. Delhi has corrupted your taste buds. All you have is Italian and Mexican food.
Hi.
Come. Timing.
Is Anushka not here?
You had gone out together, right?
Actually, she met a friend over there. They used to study together in US.
Okay.
Oh,
So she insisted that she'll stay. Anushka told her that she needs to go because you made cabbage poriyal. But then I asked her to stay back. Anyway, she doesn't meet her friends so often.
right.
I did the right thing, didn't I?
Yes. Of course. It's okay, at least you came back. Right. Let's start now. Come. Ah.
What is taking Anushka so long?
Purva, you are already setting the table. Won't we wait for Siddhant?
If we wait for brother, we will be starving. Let's have lunch, brother can have later.
Aunt, do you need some help?
No. Thank you. Sit.
I left Dad's cabbage poriyal and waiting for him for so long. But no, I wonder where he is. I would even give him a hint that I'm waiting till lunch for him to come. But he doesn't even understand my hints. I wonder where he is.
Purva, how long will Siddhant take? Call him up and ask if he's coming over, then let's wait for him.
Brother is not even answering my call. He must be busy somewhere.
I think Purva is right. If we wait for Siddhant, then we will starve forever. Besides, I and Siddhant meet quite often. Come, let's eat now. And I'm getting late too. I have to go home.
Okay, have a seat.
तुझसे वास्ता बस गैर सारा जहां तू मिले बस तू मिले